guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is just how to get rid of your stretch mark, your scars, so most especially age stretch mark. So what we'll be using is citric acid, which is very good, guys. It also help in different ways. If you can't get it in anywhere, you can as well check it online. I think it's available but in different products. So this particular one, I got it in Indian shop here in So what I will do right now, guys, I will just go ahead and add it into my pestle and mortar, then blend it together. So the reason why we are using citric acid this time, guys, because it do contain a high amount of vitamin C, which can easily help tighten up your skin, and it's also good at age skin, guys. If you are having wrinkles, you are having scars, it's also good for you to use this citric acid. It really work really good. So for those of you, if you can't get this particular one, guys, if you feel like using lemon or lime, is still the same thing, but I will advise you to go for this particular citric acid because it do contain a high amount of HP, which is really good. So what I will do right now, guys, I will just continue to grind it together until it becomes smooth, and then I will be adding what I need to add to it. So guys, let's keep doing this together. So guys, this is how it looks right now, and make sure you smooth it very well, grind it properly. If you can't use this particular one, you can use blender or anything blendable, guys. So as you can see, I'll just go ahead and blend it because I think I still feel some seed inside. I want it to be very smooth. So this time, guys, I think it's good to go. We had to add what we need to add to make it pasta. So guys, the thing I will be adding right now is shea butter. If you can't get this particular one, you can use any shea butter as far as you know is good on your skin and you love the particular one you are using. Shea butter is shea butter, but go for the organic one, pure shea butter. So this particular one is pure 100% shea butter, guys, and I love the smell and it look really good on my skin. So what I will be doing right now, guys, I will just go ahead and add a little inside the citric acid, then mix it together until it become smooth. So guys, keep on washing.
I don't need to ferment it. I'll just go ahead and smoothen it with my pistol.
go ahead and show you guys how to apply it on your skin. Please, if you want to do this, make sure you apply it in that area that you are having stretch mark or scars. It will help get rid of your stretch mark, that I know. So just apply it in that place, massage it gently until it becomes smooth, then leave it for 20 to 25 minutes and then wash it. Then you will see how your skin is just going to look like. It will look more smooth and fresh just because of the shea butter we added to it. So that is just it, guys. Thank you guys for your time, and I so much appreciate you all for coming, for watching. May God bless you all. If today is your first time, don't forget to hit on that red subscription. Please turn on the notification bell for more video. For if you want to know more about how to remove stretch mark, I will be adding the link below. Thank you.